So now I'm ready to start cutting to sharpen, and I've got to just turn on the sharpener, and so I'm going to take the first cut. So I'm going to make sure it's locked in so it doesn't jump around, and I just take the first lick, and I'm looking at the edge, and yep, I think it's pretty good. I'll just take another little lick. Or you can do it even a couple of times, just go, but just try to keep it consistent. And what I do is to mark this cutter, so I'm not continuously rotating around and start sharpening the same teeth that I've already sharpened. So it just sort of keeps. So you can either go forward or backwards. I'm choosing to go forward, and then I plunge again. So I'm going to go 3 times because I did it 3 times on the first one. So every second, I'll just make sure that I'm facing the same way. So it didn't take much off that one. So yeah, this is a very quick process that I find, much quicker than just hand filing. With the hand file, I completely sucked at that. I spent many hours trying to sharpen these cutters with the. Oh, see, it hasn't taken much off there, so I may have to readjust so everything, so all the cutters get the same in there as well. But just for the continuity of this video, you can see there I took a lot more metal off than on the previous two. So in there I haven't taken off much. And you can just sort of see how perfect that these teeth are going to be, because these teeth are going to be exactly the same size to each other. Be coming close to the start again. Now taking off a lot of metal there. Not so much on that particular cutter. There, I'm back to the start again. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go to the direct opposite. I'm going to change the angle. So it's going to be 30 degrees this way. And yeah, so now I have to adjust this. In this case I have to bring it forward so that, whoops, so it will start it's not exactly touching, so I'll just lock it there. So I just turn it on. And turn it off. Now with this particular, so I take a measurement, which is roughly 6 mil. Take a measurement on the one that I just did, that's facing the new way now, and that is roughly, and that is slightly over. Just need a little bit more light. Like I say, that is 6 mil as well. So I've just sort of, I'll just recheck on that. Just the lighting isn't great. Yeah. So that's 6 mil. So that's, so you got to definitely just you know, make the necessary adjustments on here, you know, just to when you're changing the opposite angle. And so I'll just turn it on again. And bring it forward to every second one. So you can just sort of see how this is so much better than hand filing, because there is no way with the free hand that you can grind these exactly the same to one another. Now this is only, obviously this is only just a demonstration video, so there are some that didn't sort of take much off the other one there, and it didn't touch those, so I'm going to adjust it accordingly, but I've got to go right around. And see here it took off there it took off a lot. And here. So I'm almost done, and yeah, this is the last one, I think. That was the first one that I used as the marker with the highlighting pen. And I'll just turn that off, and that's how you use one of these chainsaw sharpeners, and it's much easier than hand filing, and the results are more accurate because you're cutting each of these teeth exactly the same to one another, and you're not using a hand file where it's just freehand, and to be filing away freehanding and having all the angles and completely perfect is just, it's near impossible. Right. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and hopefully you'll tune into one of my other videos that I have on YouTube. Okay, cheers, bye.